When we make bread and we talk about hydration, what does that mean? When we get thirsty, we often get told we need to hydrate. And we know when we need to hydrate, we need to get some fluids in and drink some water. When it comes to making bread, the hydration level is talking about the types of liquids, usually water, that we add to our dough. Sometimes some or all of the water can be replaced with other types of liquids, like plant milks. Finding a recipe that says 70% hydration, well, what does that mean? That means that 70% based on the flour weight is how much water is in our dough. This is what we call a baker's percentage or baker's ratio. So that's where everything is calculated, all the ingredients in the recipe are calculated based on the flour weight. In this course, we don't go over baker's ratios or baker's percentages so much, but you can pause this video to have a look at this slide to learn more. Depending on our hydration levels is going to determine the type of dough that we want to create different types of breads. A lower hydration or a stiff dough is used to create things like bagels, pretzels, and pizza doughs. Somewhere in between, we're going to create a standard dough, and this is our most common type of dough used to make sandwich breads, rolls, and baguettes. A very high hydration dough is a dough that generally has lots of big bubbles and is very squishy and fluffy, and that's used to make things like ciabatta, focaccia, and Turkish pide bread. High hydration doughs are also known as rustic doughs.